Draw and learn. Hello kids! Today we want to draw a dinosaur with each other. Let's go! Please subscribe me kids! Oh kids, what do you know about dinosaurs? They lived many years ago. Don't forget to subscribe me. Let's coloring our dinosaur. Oh look, our dinosaur is awake. Hello little dinosaur. So nice! That's so great! Let's coloring this so colorful! Oh, I like it! That's so cute! Let's draw some hearts for our dinosaur! Finished! Thank you for watching me. Bye bye.